Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore the present simple tense, one of the most important tenses in English. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use it correctly and confidently. We use the present simple tense to talk about habits, facts, routines, scheduled events, and permanent situations. Let's look at some example sentences that show how we use the present simple. I drink coffee every morning. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I brush my teeth before bed. She lives in Paris. The train leaves at 7 a.m. Now let's see how we form the present simple tense. The structure is simple. Subject plus base verb. But for he, she, or it, we usually add s. For example, we say he works or she watches. Let's start with affirmative sentences. These are positive statements that tell us what someone does. I work at home. He works at a bank. She goes to school. Next are negative sentences. We use them to say that something doesn't happen. Use do not or does not before the base verb. He doesn't play football. I don't like pizza. Let's see how to form questions in the present simple tense. Start with do or does. Do you speak English? Does she drive to work? Now let's talk about adverbs of frequency. These words show how often something happens. We often use adverbs like always, usually, sometimes, and never in present simple. I always eat breakfast. He sometimes watches TV at night. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in present simple. Pause the video if you need more time. Here are the correct answers. She goes to the gym every morning. I don't like spicy food. Do they play football on weekends? He watches TV after dinner. My parents live in Canada. Great job. Keep practicing and subscribe for more easy English lessons with English Witty. See you next time.